it will always pull the last vowel sign down. But unless the noun is stubborn and doesn't want to go down. We got a lot of stubborn people. They are stubborn. They will not go down. You got the idea, brother? Inshallah. Okay. Kalamu man haza. What is the meaning of man? Who? Whose pen? Pen of who? Is this? Ya Ali? So, how will you translate kalamu man? This is also mudaf ilayhi. What is man, brother? It is also noun. No, it's not min, remember. It's not min, it's man. Man haza. Man zalika. Are you with me? So, kalamu man. Kalamu man. Kalamu man, brothers and sisters. Kalamu. And then it is man. Okay. I don't want to go in too much detail. But when you say kalamu, it's not kalamun. Is it kalamun? No. It's kalamu. Whenever you will see a single dhamma, the thought will occur in your mind. Maybe it is mudaf. Are you with me? Maybe it is mudaf. Because only mudaf can have a single dhamma. There is no al, there is no tanween. It's single dhamma, then maybe it is mudaf. And then we need mudaf ilayhi. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Man. But I don't see here kasra. Because this is a noun which has, fixed appearance. Because, brother, there are, in our handout, we have given you some explanation that the nouns perform different functions according to where they are placed in the sentence. Okay, just like us. Okay, the noun can be dhamma. Noun, today the time is flying. I'm surprised it's already, 15 minutes left. Okay. Okay, brothers and sisters, here are we. We'll do as much as we can. The rest you will try to do it at home. And then the balance we'll do on Monday, inshallah. Okay. Now, here it is, brother. If you are invited to walima, what do you wear? If you are invited to a walima party, what will you wear? Some nice sari, some nice tie and suit. Are you with me? If you are going to masjid, you won't wear tie suit. You won't wear sari, you will wear a simple dress. Okay? Now, if you are invited to wedding, the ladies will put on even more clothes, and jewelry and everything, decorate yourself. You change according to where you are going. Now, if you are at home, you have a different dress. When you go to bed, you have a different dress. So, according to the situation, you change your clothes. Similarly, the nouns in Arabic change their vowel signs at the end. If they are mubtada, then they are marfu. If they are khabar, they are marfu. Okay. If it is a fa'il, it is marfu. If it comes after harf jar, it is majroor. If it becomes mudaf ilayhi, it's majroor. So it changes. But then, do you know, in our society there are some poor people. They have only one dress. Wherever you invite them, they will come only in that one dress. They are very poor. They can't afford. Invite them to walima, they will still come in the same dress. Invite them to masjid, they will come in the same dress. Okay? Same dress. So there are some nouns in Arabic language, they have only one appearance. They are too poor to put tanween anywhere. Are you with me? Look at haza. I told you haza is a pronoun, it's a noun. But if you make it haza marfu, it will still come in the same way. Make haza mansub, same. Make haza majroor, same. No change. But then we will figure out whether it is majroor or not, or whether it is marfu or not. Are you with me? Similarly, man. Are you with me? Man is such a noun, it is in one appearance only. So if you say kalamu man, so man is here, mudaf ilayhi. Who? If I change it in a simple way, okay, haza kalamu man. This pen of whose? Or you can say in English, whose pen is this? What will you say? Whose pen? Which is pen of whose is this? Are you with me? So this is it, brother. Kalamu man, just in your mind, understand that it is mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Just this much. Later on, as you become strong, brother, you will understand even more complex situation. Okay? Later on. But right now, today, Brother Farooq, kalamu man is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Pen of whose? Where is mudaf? Kalamu. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Man. Inshallah, you will remember this. Huh? Later on, things will become clearer. Okay. More than that, I don't think there is any explanation necessary. Fine. Okay. Now it is Aina Hakibatul Mudarrisi. What is it, brothers and sisters? Where is the handbag of the teacher? See, Hakibatu. What do you see there? Ta marbuta. So it means it's a feminine. So the pronoun has to be according to it, you know. So what is the pronoun now? Hiya. Okay. Hiya tahtal maktabi. What is it, brothers and sisters? Hiya tahtal maktabi. What is the meaning of this? Under the desk. It is under the desk. Okay. I want you to, the no vowel signs are given. Huh? That's not right here. Maybe in the new book, the vowel signs are given. But write down tahtal maktabi. Huh? Huh? Write down. Okay. Tahta al-maktabi. Tahta al-maktabi. Tahta al-maktabi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Brother, you said maktabi, why? Why did you make maktabi there? Tahta is not harf jar. Why did you make it majroor? I will explain you. I'll explain you. Brother, tahta is under. What is under? A place. So what is that? Adverb of place. Huh? Adverb of place. Are you with me? Tahta. Okay. Now, there are certain adverbs. Are you listening? This is very important. There are certain adverbs, they behave like mudaf. What did I say? We won't call them mudaf, we will call them adverb. But they behave like mudaf. If someone behaves like mudaf, then we will have to have a mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Then we will have to have a mudaf ilayhi. So there are certain adverbs, when they will come, they will be followed by mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Mudaf ilayhi. Fine. So brothers and sisters, what is this? Zarf. What is this? And what is this? Mudaf ilayhi. Huh? Are you with me, brother? This is again a new concept, but a very important concept. Okay? Tahta is zarf. And then al-maktabi is mudaf ilayhi. Huh? Remember this, brother. I will be repeating it all the time.
If you were to write that statement, analysis in a statement, how would I write?
You will see on page 23, inshallah. But I will do it, Sister Salma. You will say here. What will you say? Here. Are you waiting for our last surprise? I'm watching time. I'm watching. We got to finish at 12:30. Okay, here is mubtada. What is tahta? It's a zarf. What is al-maktabi? Mudaf ilayhi. Okay. So I will say tahta zarf and maktabi mudaf ilayhi. Together they are shibu jumla. What is it? Shibu jumla khabar. What will you call it? Shibu jumla khabar. No, shibu jumla, okay, brothers and sisters, can be jar majroor or can be zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Are you with me? Huh, brother? Shibu jumla. We have learned before. It is jar majroor. Huh? Now we learn that shibu jumla can also be zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Later on in book 3 when we go, they will say zarf is the shibu jumla. And if you want to do it now also, make zarf, when you write down tahta zarf, make it shibu jumla khabar. Do it now, I think. We won't wait till book 3. I was trying to make things simple, you know. So from now onwards, we'll do like this. We analyze, brother. Here, mubtada. Tahta, zarf, shibu jumla khabar. Okay? And then there is one more word that has to be analyzed. And what is that? Al-maktabi. What is that? Mudaf ilayhi. Khalas. Easy, isn't it? Inshallah. We ended our lessons with halwa puri. Okay? Are you with me? So, I want you to say it again, everybody. Hiya tahta al-maktabi. Hiya tahta al-maktabi. Hiya mubtada tahta zarf. Shibu jumla khabar. Tahta zarf. Shibu jumla khabar. And then maktabi mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Now, I tell you one more thing. Yes, Sister Mamuna, 1 second. Huh? Brother, not all zarfs will have mudaf ilayhi. Not all. So, many will have. For example, did we get a zarf in the beginning? Yes. Huwa alal maktabi hunaka. The hunaka did not have mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? So all of them won't have. But many will have. Huh? If I say, they are all coming. Let me not rush, brother. They are all coming slowly, different kinds of zarf. And you know something? You already know them. Because you have read them in the Quran all the time. And you already know them. For example, amama, khalfa, behind, amama, front. You know these things. Fauka, over. These are all tahta, under. These are all zarf. These are all zarf makan. Okay? Inshallah. But they will have, when you say fauka, over, then mudaf ilayhi has to come. If you say in front, then it is to be front of something. If it is behind, it is behind of something. Then those something will be mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Mudaf ilayhi. Okay? So, some zarf will have mudaf ilayhi, some may not have mudaf ilayhi. Huh? If I ask you something, or if you ask me, Aina anta? Where are you? Aina anta? If I answer, Ana huna. I am here. Are you with me? Ana huna. If I say, what is ana? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? What is huna? Zarf. Shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? If I say huna, I am here. Where is the khabar? Huna. But huna is not a noun. It's a zarf. So if it is a zarf, then it is shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? We will do a lot more. I just thought about this to tell you, but normally I don't say all these things. But inshallah, 4 more minutes. Brothers and sisters, hiya tahtal maktabi. Are you with me? So tahta, zarf, shibu jumla khabar, maktabi, mudaf ilayhi. Fine. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. The rest of the things you will read yourself and do it. These 3 things will answer. Okay? We will answer these 3 things, brothers, sisters. Aina kitabu Muhammadin. The answer has to be from the main text. Aina kitabu Muhammadin. What will the answer? Huwa alal maktabi hunaka. Are you with me? Huwa alal maktabi hunaka. Aina kitabu Ammarin. Huwa alal maktabil mudarrisi. There it says daftar, but you can say huwa ala maktabil mudarrisi. Fine, brother. Aina hakibatul mudarrisi. Hiya tahtal maktabi. It is under the table. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah, we end here. Please try to do as much as you can at home, especially the next few pages of the lesson, and then we will move forward. I hope you have come with lots of sacrifices for 4 days. I hope you enjoyed the lessons, and I hope you find that it is definitely helping you to understand many things now that you did not know before, and I hope you find it interesting, inshallah. You find that learning Arabic is a joy, learning Arabic is fun, learning Arabic is enjoyable, learning Arabic is fascinating, inshallah. Allah will make it easy for us, inshallah. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. Rabbana la tu'akhidhna in nasina aw akhta'na. ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إسرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. جزاكم الله خير.